Welcome back, students. Let us further our lesson number 8, our need for water. We shall do a small experiment. Do it under your parents' observation. So, take a small piece of cucumber and one lemon. Grate the cucumber and squeeze it hard. What did you notice? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber. Now cut the lemon and squeeze it hard. Here also you can see the juice of lemon comes out. So, what is your observation? Water is present in cucumber and lemon. Let's do another experiment. Take two potted plants of equal growth. Label pot 1 and pot 2. Now, for next 5 days, every morning you water plant only one. What will you notice? After 5 days, we will observe that plant 1 looks fresh and green, whereas plant 2 has been dried up. Till now, we had seen that only human beings, animals, birds need water. But through this experiment, we also came to know that plants too need water to live. Likewise, farmers also water their crops in the field. Do you know, children, the trees in the forest also need water to grow? From where do they get the water? In forest, rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of the plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Some plants like water plants needs water to grow like bulrushes, water chestnut, lotus and hyacinth. They only grow in water. They cannot be grown in the soil. You must have seen in many villages where there are rivers, people from the village wash their clothes in it. They also carry water at home to use it and for drinking also. Is it hygienic, students? No, it's not hygienic. It's not safe to drink that water. So, the water in the public source has to be kept clean. People need water not only for drinking but also for so many works like bathing, cooking, washing clothes, washing utensils, then gardening, and so many household works. Water is also used in agriculture and industries too. So, very large amount of water is used in cities and water is very much important in our lives. So, we should not waste water and it's everyone's responsibility and save the water. Water is life. Thank you.